internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Simply Gilded unboxing video. I think this might be the February one. I'm not so sure, my memory is not good, but this is the theme for this month, Masterpiece, which very artistic and huge. Okay, wow, everything is in this, like, I'm assuming faux leather case. That's everything in the box. Okay, I'll put that aside. This is so cool. I think I could fit my iPad in here. Alright, so first out we have pen. Oh, I love that she's using more, she's including more branded pens because, yeah, she usually has these ones which are really nice, but they're just very standard gel pens and they're quite heavy. Personally for me, I'm not a big fan of very heavy pens, but I love these branded pens. You got Sakura and Pentel, and I always am so excited to try these because I love Japanese, especially Japanese pens. Although I'll take any sort of branded pen, to be honest. But yeah, I'll try these at the end of the video. So what do we have coming out? Let's see. Let's pull everything out. It's like a washi tape in here. So we've got 6 washi tape. I'll try that at the end-ish. Oh, yep, February. You know, this kind of reminds me of the Aurora Borealis-ish, kind of that vibe to it, which I really want to go back and see. So this is, oh, bookmark charm. Hey, I could use a bookmark. Wow, okay, this is very cool. Because usually my bookmarks are just pieces of paper. I probably need to tighten this a little bit more because I feel like this might come loose, but yeah. This is a really unique sort of bookmark charm for sure. I would probably just be aware that you might have to tighten the knots. They seem a little loose, but other than that, very cool. Then we have, this looks like a mobile phone holder, but I'm pretty sure it's not. I think it's like a pocket. Yeah, I feel like this is a pouch or something. Could you stick this on a planner? No. Maybe it's like a pen holder. You could put pens in here. I mean, that would make sense. Oh yeah, I think they call it a pen cozy. Okay, so yeah, you could keep a bunch of pens here, or like this. Actually, I'd probably prefer it there because I feel like if I was to hook it in, it might like leave marks. Cute. Then we have the stickers. So we have the cardstock. You possess the key to inner peace. And then we have the stickers. Let's try those out. So we have some labels, full boxes. And then we have some foiled icons here. Ooh, we got some more like miniature icons foiled. We've got some half boxes, check boxes, some bows, more labels like date, not date covers, but like the day boxes, and then more labels. And so I say this in every video, but I probably will continue to say it in every video because I don't know if people have seen the previous videos. These stickers fit in the Erin Condren planner, and the washi tapes obviously match, so those are great for like the bottom strips. And then we've got a book, which I'm pretty sure is like dot grid, but let's open it up just to check. Oh, okay. No, I was wrong. Good thing we checked. It's actually plain this month. I think it varies from month to month. Okay, so I think I'll test the pens. No, actually, I'll do the washi tape first and then we'll test the pens. So give me 2 seconds and I'll open these up. Okay, I'm back, and as you can see, these are the washi tapes for this particular kit. These are, all these three, the first 3 are so cohesive and beautiful. I love them. And this one, I don't know if you can tell, this kind of is a different texture to it. It's very close. Hopefully you can see this kind of like a micro shimmers in there. And the feel of it is a little rougher than these. These are much smoother. This has just got a little bit of texture to it, which I don't think I have anything like this particular washi tape. And I feel like I say that pretty often, which just makes me think like the washi tape evolution is just happening consistently. But yeah, this is kind of like a watercolor-ish painting. And then you've got the bows, the quintessential Simply Gilded bows. Then you've got these more like long bows, and this particular one is perforated, so you've got the bow right in the center, and then you've got perforated edges so you can get it perfectly centered. You've got this foiled like hearts and stars, more gold, like antique gold. And then this last one is foiled days. So you've got Monday, Tuesday, and just at the end of the day, oh, okay, I keep coming. Ooh, I keep coming off camera because I'm looking at my hands instead of the viewfinder, but just before the heart here is perforated, so you can take this whole section off, and so you can just have the days. You don't have to worry about cutting it or anything like that. All perforated and ready to go. So yeah, love this theme this month. And I'm really enjoying the perforated edges. It just makes life so much easier, and I don't have to worry about measuring and get it perfect. So those are the washi tape. Let's go try out the pens. Okay, so I'm just going to try the branded pens. I'm not going to try the like custom Simply Gilded one because that's the same every single time. It's a standard black gel pen. The first one is, I know these, I'm not actually familiar with this particular type. They're all sparkly metallic pens from what I can tell. This is Sakura Jelly Roll, which I know is going to be good. Silver one, surprisingly don't have a silver one, so every single time I get a new one from a box, it's just adding my Sakura Jelly Roll collection just slowly grows. I'm actually low-key surprised I haven't bought the whole set, but I don't think I need to because all these boxes keep coming with new ones each time. So let's give this one a shot. It's super inky. Definitely could write on black paper easily, very easily. You guys see how, yeah, you can kind of see there's like lifts in the ink, so it's very inky, very metallic too. Okay, let's try the Pentel Sparkle Pop. What color is this? It's bold, and I cannot see a color on it. But, I mean, it looks purple, so I'm going to assume it's some sort of purple color. Oh, wow. Very, very similar to the Jelly Roll. Very inky, saturated color. And looks blue right now in person. Kind of a dark purple on the camera. As it dries, you can kind of see it's going a bit more purple. But yeah, very, very deep and saturated. And yeah, there you go. You can kind of see the blue. It's like got blue shimmers in it, but purple ink. So I'm pretty sure if you were to rub over this, because sometimes you can, it will remove the blue shimmer and then you just get like a deep purple. But I love these sort of jewel chrome colors. And okay, not surprisingly, there's a pretty heavy shadow through coming from them. But I mean, that's why they're so saturated. So yeah, that is everything in February's Simply Gilded box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.